Day 12 Speaking Challenge. I have no idea what I wanna tell for this challenge. I just wanna finish what I started. From morning I just watching movies. I watch horror movies and now I watch it's like spy movies. These movies make me curious and I wanna continue watching. There is it. Thank you very much. See you.